Professor Simmons here, YouTube's utmost, most prolific authority on persimmons. You might be thinking, what do you even know about persimmons? Did you know that a persimmon has the most antioxidants of any fruit in the world? According to me right now. Did you know that it is the best source of vitamin P? What is vitamin P, as we discussed earlier? Persimmons. Now, what was going wrong with Jory before is he started eating it here. You really need to start eating this part right here. We call that the nipple of the fruit. Not edible at all. Have a safe Halloween, everyone.
Jory's on a mission to acquire a taste for persimmons.